What you cannot prove does not exist, guys. That's it. Save it in your mind. Illuminati, Matrix, they does not exist, guys. You don't have to make the kind of enemies that you cannot fight with, that you never ever seen. Nobody in this world prove that they actually exist. All right. Illuminati, they are the organization that made by Adam Weishaupt in 1776 in Bavaria, Germany. But within 2 years, the Karl Theodor, the ruler at the time, he ordered to kill every individual from that organization. He banned that organization. So now they don't exist, but powerful people, they have made it alive, so they can use it as a scapegoat. Whatever they do wrong, they just put the blame on Illuminatis, on Matrix. So these are the powerful people who are using you, who are playing with your mind, guys. So you don't have to make the kind of enemies who you cannot fight with. All right, they does not exist, guys. You are free to go, you can do anything. If there is any Matrix, if there is any Illuminati, you know them. All right, if you really want to know who Matrix and Illuminati is, those are Zionist, Israeli lobby in America, and rich countries like America, Russia, and China, and every individual who you want to be. So if there is any individual who is sitting in front of you, you want to be like him, that person is Illuminati, guys. Take it as a positive thing. Why that guy is Illuminati? Because you want to be him. He does not want you to be him. That is why he's growing each day, every day. All right. So you have to find the kind of ways where you can beat that guy. So take it as a positive way. The Illuminati is the person who is sitting in front of you, who you want to be. Thank you very much. Bye.